What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Happy Father's Day, and thanks for giving me some time today. So, I'm going to make sure I give you the best that I can. What we're going to do today, guys, we're going to talk about the live market update. We're going to look at futures right now. Futures is open. The market is closed tomorrow, but we'll be ready to rock and roll. So, I'm going to be going through all the trades from last week, step by step, and just get ready to go. All right, guys. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. All right, hit me with the one if you can hear me loud and clear. And what we're gonna do, first of all, guys, is we're gonna take a look at the futures market right now. All right. So here we go. Right now on futures, you could see right here, guys. This is the Sunday open right here. Okay, this big green candle. Let me show you guys. So this is the Sunday open right here, and we are selling off right now. All right. So we have a little bit of some selling coming in to start off right now, and nothing too crazy. Just a few points or so. So that's something to keep an eye on going into the open tomorrow, and to see if we can start to really get a good move coming. Okay. So what I gather here from looking at this weekly chart, so you can see we are still in the golden zone. So the golden zone is between the 50 to 786. Okay, so there's our golden zone. And we had this push down coming in from the all-time highs. And there hasn't been any bear reaction yet. Okay, you can see every single candle on this way up is green. And one of the swing trades we took was this holy grail right here. Okay, so we took this holy grail breakout, and this was a nice winner. But there is really no bear price action pattern right now. However, we have gone up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green weeks in a row. And statistically, based on that, guys, it's likely we're going to have a red week either this week or next week. It doesn't have to be a huge red week, but there is going to likely be either some kind of consolidation or pullback. What I'm looking at right now is the 786 Fibonacci. It feels like the market is moving towards there in terms of a magnet type of a price action. And when we get here, it definitely is a good opportunity for the bears to try to short from a risk to reward perspective. It's definitely a good opportunity because we have a 78.6% pullback, and we could have a tight stop loss at the all-time high. So I'm going to look at the close this week, and I'm going to be looking for some swing trades and see what we can do. So we did take a swing trade right here. I'm going to show you guys. Let's go to SPX, and I'll show you guys the swing trade that we're able to take. SPX. Oops. SPX. Okay. So we had this outside bar on the daily chart back on Wednesday, and we took the breakout of that for some nice gains so far. So I'm gonna walk you guys through that one as well. All right, hit me with the four if everything makes sense so far. So that's just the outlook. So the 786, 452875. Let's watch how we react when we get up there. I think that'll be a really nice area to short. And it definitely looks like there's could be a red week coming or a pause week coming, just based on the statistics of going up vertically, right? You could see even from a Bollinger Band perspective, we started to go vertically here, okay? And that's never a good sign. The bulls usually go up, go sideways, go up, go sideways, go up, go sideways. They like to go ahead and build bases, okay? However, the bears, when they go down, guys, it's just like a free fall. So I'm going to be watching that and look for some good opportunities. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go through the day trades this week, and then we'll look for I'm going to be doing some giveaways at the end of the stream, so make sure you guys stay tuned, and feel free to ask any questions you have as well. All right, so I'm going to hit the replay on Friday. So Friday, guys, Lotto Friday, that is my favorite day of the week to trade. There's usually a lot of great opportunities, and Friday was our trade of the week. It was the day where we made all of our gains. We started the week off really slow, but then on Friday, we had basically three amazing trades that led to 40 points, $2,000 a contract. And I just want to encourage you guys, it's easy to get frustrated, but when you get your patterns, when you get your plays, even if it's just one good trade for the week, that can make you your bread and butter. So don't get discouraged. Don't get down on yourself if you're not seeing results right away. A lot of the times there's ups and downs. Okay. All right. So here we go. So I'm going to go here on Friday. So I'm just going to replay and show you what we did. So Here's Friday. Good morning, friends. Our long entry is 443.13. Let's keep an eye on that. And then team, I'm deferring to the opening range breakout on the 3-minute chart. So the reason I went for the opening range breakout on the 3-minute chart, and you can see at 9:35 we went short, and I'll tell you why. All right, so here is the first 3-minute bar. And the reason that I wanted to take a short play here, guys, was because on Fridays, especially after a big rally, a lot of the times there is selling on Fridays. And the reason is because going into a long weekend, especially the market being closed on Monday, there is a lot of risk because a lot of news can happen overnight in those 3 days, or just on the weekend when the market is closed. So investors, institutions, they kind of usually pull back a little bit, and there could be some selling on Fridays, right? So that's why I wanted to go ahead for the short. So here's the first 3-minute bar. Okay. Once we broke that low, we ended up going short right there. I'll put the Fibonacci on the candle for the targets, and then boom, boom, boom. Very nice. Okay. So within about 12 minutes here, guys, we got a full extension. Really nice for 10 points. $500 a contract. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. So this was really, really nice. Very strong bearish candle at the open. So that's a quick scalp to start us off. And then from there, we went right back into our Fibonacci. Okay, so I'll show you right now with the Fibonacci here. We took our Fibonacci from high to low. And I'm going to double click and just put the basic 618. Okay, so that's all you need to focus on as a new trader. Let's hop into the Discord and find the Fibonacci bot. So you can see we ended up going short at 1029. All right, and just like I'm drawing it up for you guys here, we have it all ready to go live. And the Fibonacci bot has been a game changer because not only does it say when to go long or short, but it also has the targets. Very mechanical, very, very clean trade. So here we go, guys. Boom. Okay, so we made a new low. Just move your anchor right there. Bang, bang. Okay, now we're starting to retrace. So notice this, guys. If you want to go for the puts, you don't want to be chasing down here. This is a bad area because the market has already moved significantly down. So if you buy the puts down here, you're going to get a bad deal. Instead, we wait for that 618 right there. Boom, there's your fill on this green candle, guys. Do you think buying puts here are going to be cheaper, or is it going to be cheaper over here? Hit me with the 1 for the 618. Hit me with the 2 for the lows. And I did a Twitter space today discussing this strategy. If you want to make 100% bangers on options, especially with puts and calls, you need to be using the Fibonacci in my opinion, because the Fibonacci allows you to get the pullback. So if you chase the puts down here, even if you're right on the direction, so let's say within another hour later, it comes down here. That's exactly what happens, guys. You're still probably not going to make money because you're overpaying and the premiums are extremely overpriced. However, if we let it come back now to the 618, you see this big green candle. On that green candle, the puts are going to be valued a lot cheaper because the market is reacting in real time. The premiums are changing in real time. So here we go. There's our short entry, guys. Boom, bang, 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 bang into a new low right there. Okay. So you can see that's at 1127, 1126, full Fibonacci new low of day home run. Very, very nice. Okay. And then what I want to do here, guys, is I'm just going to go ahead now and I'm going to keep playing here. And I'm going to move our anchor to the new low. Okay, watch this. Oops. Move this anchor to the new low right there. And we pop up again. Watch this. Tag our 618. And I'm going to fast forward. Bang. Beautiful. So this one, we were able to catch this one live on stream. Really, really nice. So that one was a nice one. So I streamed that on the YouTube channel, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube and make sure you follow me on the Twitter. I'll just show that video. If you guys get a chance, you can go ahead and watch this video right here. This is the one where we went live. Okay, really, really nice price action, nice day trading. All right, guys. So that was our bread and butter right there, my friend. Hit me with a 15 if you guys followed me there. I don't know. I don't do any options, advanced option legs. I just do straight calls and puts or futures. Try to keep it as simple as possible. All right, here we go. Now let's continue, my friend. So let's go ahead to Thursday. So now to Thursday, I'm gonna have to set the stage for you guys. Okay, Thursday was absolutely crazy. All right, so here we go. So this is Thursday. So let me just remove these. Okay. So here's Thursday. So Thursday, the previous day, we had an outside bar. Okay. And on the outside bar, guys, this was my swing trade setup. And I'm gonna walk you guys through how to swing trade. Okay. So let's go ahead here. Let's go to 9:30 and I'll walk you through this. Just hit the replay right there. Okay. So I live stream on Fridays on YouTube. Okay. In the Discord, we have a live commentary as well as we have our Fibonacci bots. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and here, my friends, and let's set the stone. Did I say let's set the stone? Let's set the stage. Here we go. So I'm going to go back to Wednesday. And I'm going to get this ready for you guys. Make sure you're also following the Twitter, guys, because I post these plays here. So here we go. So this was our doji on SPY. Let's talk real quick about this. What does that mean? What does an outside bar mean? Okay. So here was our doji. And here was our levels. Okay. 43851 is where we want to go long. Okay. So the doji, guys, the doji is an indecision pattern. Okay. And the indecision pattern is a very powerful pattern because it means that we can squeeze, because after indecision comes decision, right? So let's go back into the Discord now and let's set this up. So let me draw physically how the outside bar looks for you guys. Okay. So this is Tuesday. This is the price action for Tuesday. And then this is the price action for Wednesday. This range. And what you'll notice here, guys, is Wednesday's range fully engulfs Tuesday's range. Hit me with the 20 if that makes sense. So we broke the high and we broke the low of Tuesday. And that's significant because anybody that was going long potentially could get trapped. Anyone that's going short could potentially get trapped. And then we end in the middle. So that's even crazier. After it's all said and done, we end in the middle of the range. So now this right here says, okay, a lot of indecision. So how do we trade that? So what we did, we'll hop back into the Discord. So I set up our swing trade. So we wanted to go long 438.51, stop 436.33, target 440.55 using the June 23rd 439 calls. We were able to get to a first target on this, and we still have some going into next week. But here we go. Let me go ahead and draw that up to you. So 438.51. So here we go. Okay. And I also posted this level in the YouTube and on the Twitter. Okay. So there we go. So here's our level to go long. Okay. So let's watch now. So here we go. First 5-minute bar. Bang. Okay. This bar doesn't mean anything. We're pretty much where we left off. So we're waiting. Boom. There's our entry. Squeeze. Okay. Retest. Okay. So even if you didn't get the first initial break right here, guys, there's a retest right here. And then that's it. Gone. Okay. So let me fast forward. Boom. So this one was a really, really nice trade. And then we were able to take some profits on the Thursday going into the close and having a piece here for a runner. So that's how I like to do the swings based on a technical setup on the daily chart. Outside bars are really, really nice. On that first target, guys, about 20 points. Not bad. One contract, $1,000. And like I said, Twitter, YouTube, make sure you subscribe. I post that there, guys, and I really like those swings. So if you want to, you can just wait for the swing trades. You can be patient and you can say, hey, when we get the setup, then I'm going to take it. And here's another example. All right. Look at this outside bar on the weekly chart. So this was one back in January that we were following for the short. And this was the all-time high. Okay. So don't sleep on those bars, guys. They might seem simple, but they're extremely powerful because of the nature of the trap. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. All right, guys, really nice, really nice. I like that one. I hope you guys, let me know what you think. Hit me with a like, hit me with a comment. Let me know what you think about those outside bars on the daily. Okay. So on Wednesday, guys, here's Wednesday's price action. I took an early stop loss on the trigger. I kind of mismanaged this trade. You could see it went up in the morning, but I went out too early. I lost 5 points. So just took a loser on that day. And then we have Tuesday right here where we had an opening range breakout into a Fibonacci. The opening range breakout went well and we lost on the fib. So we walked away with a little bit of a winner. Let me go ahead and walk you through Tuesday right here and just show you the opening range breakout. All right, here we go. Okay. So here was Monday's high. All right. And on the first 3-minute bar, boom, we gap up. Okay. So again, what kind of candle is this? What is this candle? Does anybody know? Look at this candle. So the first thing we have to recognize is we gapped. All right. Here's the gap, this area. Okay. So whenever we gap, guys, there is a lot of volatility that can happen right at the open because there can be profit taking. There can also be bears getting squeezed, or there can be bears that are looking for a short. And when we have gaps right at the open, you can have a stop run. Okay. And right here on this first candle, we have a doji, another indecision. So what do? The same thing we're doing on a swing trade, we're doing it on the lower time frame, as above, so below. Very powerful trading strategy. So here we go. Let's mark the high, put this one in red, and let's mark the low of this candle. There's our high and there's our low. Okay. So now I'm going to go back into the Discord. What day is this? The 13th. I'll go right here. All right. Good morning, friends. Big gap up coming in here. Going to start with the orb. Who's ready? So we ended up going long, guys, right at 9:33, and target one was hit at 9:35. So this one was a very, very quick trade. So here's our doji. If it breaks the high, like I said, we're going to go long. If it breaks the low, we're going to go short. So here we go. First candle comes in, bang. That's what I want to see on an opening range breakout. Bang, bang, bang. Beautiful. Okay. So that's it, guys. If you want to scalp, that's the fastest way that I know how to scalp, with just using the first 3-minute bar. But you have to have the right scenario. You have to have the chicken, with a lot of ingredients and seasoning before you put in the oven. Otherwise, it's not going to taste good. Okay, hit me with the 20 if that makes sense. And then after that, unfortunately, you could see we had we look for this Fibonacci play right here. Go from high to low, and you'll see that it tried to hold the fib. It tried, right? You could see it trying, but it just wasn't strong enough. So unfortunately, we ended up losing on that fib. All right, guys. So finally, on Monday, we had a pretty choppy day on Monday to start off right here. So you could see on Monday, I'm going to draw Friday's high. We opened right here, okay? And eventually we did end up trending in the end of the day. So we had a slow start in the morning, a little bit of all this choppiness, guys, until about lunchtime, and then we started to squeeze. So we had a long trigger that was able to capture that late in the day, but nothing too crazy. Okay, so pretty much a wash day. All right, guys, and that's it. And again, it comes down, my friends, to 1 or 2 good trading days, and that's really what it comes down to. Okay, 1 or 2 trading days is a good days is all you need to make a profit if you're managing your risk. Give me the 25 if that makes sense. All right, guys. So I'm gonna do some giveaways and I'm gonna wrap it up. And again, I want to thank you very much for giving me your time on Father's Day, and I really hope that I added some value. I'm working on a brand new Fibonacci strategy, and I'm planning to release it in my seminar. And I'm working on it right now. So I just posted my seminar. I'm having a seminar on July 9th at 3 p.m. And if you have all 3 of my books, or if you're a part of my Discord as an MVP member, it's going to be free. You're not going to be charged. But this is for members only, and I'm planning to release that. And I have a lot of things planned with that. Normally on Fridays, I go live around 1 o'clock on YouTube. It's not every single week, but just make sure you subscribe, turn the notifications on, and you'll get the updates. All right. So let's do some giveaways here and let's wrap this up. So here we go. So I'm going to hop on the YouTube and I am going to pick. So what video did really, really well this week? This one right here. This was the video where I talked about the outside bar setup, and I gave you guys the levels. And I really want you guys to go back and watch this video if you have some time. It just shows really a good strategy to swing trade, and I think it could benefit a lot of you guys. So I'm going to pick the giveaway winner from this video. just go ahead and leave a comment on this video. I'll give you guys a few minutes, and then I'll pick a winner here. So go ahead and leave a comment there. Really nice swing. Really nice guy. They don't always work, but when a good plan comes together, it's one of the best feelings. All right. And I'm also going to do a giveaway for my TradingWarz Army members, the people that are part of the 499 crew. So if you're part of the TradingWarz Army member, guys, you get these special swing trade picks that I do, special setups that I do. So you could see the TradingWarz Army members. Let's go ahead and show you some of the content. If you guys want to support, it's $4.99 a month. And there's a lot of secret hidden content that I put up here. One of the ones I wanted to show you guys was that outside bar on the monthly that we took for SPY in the TradingWarz Army right there. So we took the breakout of this one, and that one was really good. So these outside bars have been doing extremely well. All right, I'm also going to pick a TradingWarz Army giveaway member, like I said. So go ahead and leave your comment right while you can, my friends. All right, here we go. All right, here we go. Okay, so for my TradingWarz Army member, drum roll please. The winner is second here. All right, so the winner for the TradingWarz Army member giveaway is Caesar Felix 9592, brother. I'm not sure if you're watching this, but just email rich@tradingwarz.com or just message me in the Discord, and I'll get you your 1 month for free with the book of your choice. Thank you, Caesar, for being a member for 14 months. Very much appreciate your support. Guys, let's send Caesar TW Army SPY VIP and some love. And then let's go ahead and let's pick a winner from this video. Here we go. Potential swing long-term setup. All right, so it looks like we have 23 comments. All right, here we go. So I'm gonna get the random number generator out. Put that right here. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Number 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Right here. Reggie Jones, 1390. You are the winner, my friend. Reggie Jones. If you're in the chat, Reggie, let me know. Email rich@tradingwarz.com and we'll get you your book and your 1 month for free. Reggie, thank you so much for all your support. Thank you, everyone, for all of your support. TradingWarz Army and my YouTube people, everybody here right now watching, thanks for giving me your time. So, guys, I think it's going to be a really interesting week. It's going to be a short week, so there's a potential for it to be choppy. But if the futures start to go red, you can see right now on the 5-minute chart, they are red. But if they start to go really red within the next 10 or 15 hours, then I think this week is going to bring a lot of fireworks. So I'm going to be here live with you guys trading. Check me out on the Twitter, on the YouTube. Just leave me a comment below, guys, on what you think the week's going to bring. What do you guys think? It's going to be choppy? It's going to bring opportunity. And go enjoy the rest of the time with your family today. And thank you so much for giving me 20 minutes of your time. Thanks, guys. Take care. Wait. Hold up. Forgot to talk about the Father's Day deal. All right, guys. So I went on Twitter Spaces today, and I'm not sure if you guys were able to watch that, but for Father's Day giveaway right now, what I'm doing, so I did some giveaways, and then I'm doing a deal. So anyone that grabs any 3 of my books, instead of 1 month for free, it's going to be 2.5 months for free in the Discord with the indicators for life, the premium ones. It's $99.99. You get 2.5 months in the Discord with the book. Really nice book, 69 pages, over 50 charts, everything that I teach. You know, if you guys want to come trade with us live, you get access to the Fibonacci bot. That's been absolutely crushing it. You guys can see the Fibonacci bot right there doing its thing. All right. Thanks very much.